be. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. I'll make you better.
Okay, we just got to Yalepa and we took a boat here. It was about a 30-minute boat ride. I'm gonna throw some clips into the boat ride. It was super sick. We passed all these beaches and stuff. I'm gonna throw that in right now and then we're gonna do a hike.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. No soap, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3.
The cool thing about this place is that you can't get here by car. So everything on this island was brought in by boat. So all these houses, all this was taken by boat because there's no road that can even get here. So everything is boat, pretty much. We're currently a little bit lost, trying to find our way around this town, but I think we got it. We're on the way to the waterfall right now. The road to this waterfall is honestly kind of weird because you're like walking through people's backyards to get to it. But I mean, whatever works. The waterfall was kind of lame, so we just hiked up this mountain. There are these ropes down there that carried us up here. And there's a view of the ocean. I don't even know if this is a hike or not, but we're gonna check it out and see what, I don't know, what's over here. We might be able to get to the waterfall, like the top of the waterfall from here. It's down there. So we're gonna hike down and see if we can get to the waterfall and like look down or whatever, see what the view is like. That'd be the sickest place to live, honestly. You just climb up this mountain, wake up, and you have like the sickest view ever. Living on like a little wooden shack up there. That'd be so sick. I don't know how we found this, but there's like this little bench hangout spot on this cliff. It's sick. Where are we gonna drift? Oh! Yeah! Hey. Mexican homies! Okay. We just got to the second waterfall that we just had to hike to. That's what it looks like. There's a couple jump spots, and I'm gonna jump in with my housing and get a few shots for you guys. Okay, we just got done at this waterfall, and that waterfall was literally the clearest waterfall I've ever seen. Because like normally waterfalls are super brown and stuff because of runoff, but this waterfall was literally blue like the ocean. You saw the shot, so you'll see how like blue it is. It's sick. But we're walking back right now, and it's my last day here in Mexico, and we're catching a flight in about 4 hours. So we're gonna have to go to the airport and leave all the boys here, which kind of sucks because I'm gonna miss them. Homie. Hi, boys.
Yeah.